Do you know that poor record keeping impacts so much on your business growth? And in fact, this can be fixed. Welcome to this week's live stream. My name as usual is Jeta Ogupola. As you are joining me, I will appreciate you let me know where you are watching from. And I'd like you to share this video. I'd like you to like it. And in fact, don't fail to ask questions by way of comments. And if you are coming across our video for the very first time, please do not hesitate to follow us. One more time, you are welcome to today's live stream. Today, we shall be continue what we started last week. And the topic is poor record keeping on business growth and how to fix it. In other words, the impact of poor record keeping on the growth of your business. Today we'll be looking at how to fix poor record keeping. How to fix poor record keeping. You know, last week we discussed the fact that poor record keeping can severely hinder business growth, leading to financial mismanagement, compliance issues, operational inefficiencies, poor strategic decisions, and of course, it damages customer relations. So how do we fix poor record keeping? That's our focus today. The number one thing you need to do in fixing poor record keeping is implement a robust record keeping system. Implement a robust record keeping system. In order to do this, you need to invest in a reliable record keeping system tailored to your business needs. Modern accounting software and enterprise resource planning systems can easily automate and streamline record keeping processes. And these tools help maintain accurate records, generate financial reports, and ensure data integrity. Choose a system that integrates well with your existing processes and provides user-friendly features for easy adoption. Number two thing you need to do, you need to establish clear policies and procedures. Number two thing you need to do to fix poor record keeping is establish clear policies and procedures. How do you do this? You do this by developing and documenting clear record keeping policies and procedures. You ensure all employees are trained and aware of these guidelines. Standardizing how records are created, stored, and managed helps maintain consistency and update these policies. Let me just recall that again. Standardizing how records are created, how they are stored and managed helps maintain consistency and reduces the risk of errors. So regularly review and update these policies to adapt to changing business needs and regulatory requirements. Number 3 things to do to fix poor record keeping is regular audits and reconciliation. Regular audits and reconciliation. Conduct regular audits and reconciliations to identify and rectify discrepancies. Regular financial audits help ensure that records are accurate and up to date. Reconciliation of bank statements, accounts receivable, and accounts payable can catch errors early and prevent them from escalating into larger issues. I think I'm on point number 4 now, and that is digitize records. Digitize records. You need to move away from paper-based records to digital formats. Digital records are easier to organize, store, and retrieve. They also reduce the risk of loss or damage compared to physical records. Implementing a digital record keeping system can improve efficiency and provide better access to information. Just before I move on, I'd like you to let us know where you are watching from. Let's know the nature of your business, and I'd like you to share this video, ask questions by way of comment, and of course like it. And if you are watching us on YouTube, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel, and of course click the bell so that you can be reminded anytime we are on here. Number 5 is outsource to professionals. Number 5 way of fixing your poor record keeping is outsource to professionals. If maintaining accurate records is overwhelming, consider outsourcing to professional bookkeepers or accountants. These experts can handle your record keeping needs, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Let us know, outsourcing can be especially beneficial to small medium enterprises that lack the resources to maintain a full-time accounting department. Number 6 is regular training and development. Continuously educate and train employees on the importance of good record keeping practices. Provide ongoing training to keep staff updated on new tools, technologies, and regulatory changes. A well-informed team is more likely to adhere to best practices and contribute to maintain accurate records. Our last point for the day is to fix your poor record keeping. You need to leverage technology. you need to leverage technology. Utilize technology to automate repetitive and time-consuming record-keeping tasks. Cloud-based solutions offer real-time access to records and enable collaboration across different locations. Pardon me for that. Cloud-based solutions offer real-time access to records and enable collaboration across different locations. Additionally, artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning can help identify patterns and anomalies in data, providing valuable insights for decision making. Before wrapping up for today, once more, let me just let you know that we'll appreciate you share this video, like it, and even ask your questions, comments. Let's share together. Let's know your experience at your own end. And if you are watching us on YouTube, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and in fact, click the bell for our next video. Let me just wrap up like this. However, by implementing robust record-keeping systems, establishing clear policies, conducting regular audits, digitizing records, outsourcing to professionals, and leveraging technology can help business to overcome these challenges. So prioritizing accurate and organized record keeping not only ensures compliance and efficiency, but also lays a solid foundation for sustained growth and success. Until I come your way again, please keep safe and put your record in order. All the best.